welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home renovation loans. Specifically, we'll be comparing two popular options, the Fannie Mae HomeStyle Loan and the FHA 203K loan. If you're considering financing your home purchase and renovations, this video is a must-watch. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about credit score. Your credit score plays a crucial role in loan qualification. For the HomeStyle Loan, a minimum credit score of 620 is typically required. However, the 203K loan allows borrowers with a credit score as low as 500 to be eligible. If your credit score is on the lower side, the 203K loan might be the better choice for you. Next, we have the down payment. The 203K loan typically offers a better deal here. For example, with a credit score above 580, you can secure a 203K loan with just a 3.5% down payment. On the other hand, the HomeStyle Loan's down payment depends on factors like the property type and occupancy, ranging from 3% to 25%. So, if a low down payment is essential for you, the 203K loan might be the way to go. Now, let's discuss the debt-to-income ratio. The HomeStyle Loan usually caps the DTI ratio at 45%, while the 203K loan can be more flexible, allowing some lenders to consider ratios up to 45%, 50%, or even 57%. If your DTI ratio is on the higher side, the 203K loan could offer better financing options. Moving on to the mortgage insurance premium. With the HomeStyle Loan, you'll pay an annual MIP if your down payment is less than 20%, while the 203K loan always requires MIP. The 203K loan has both upfront and annual mortgage insurance costs. However, it's possible to remove the MIP with the 203K loan under certain conditions. Now, let's talk about the maximum loan amount. The HomeStyle and 203K loans both have limits. The HomeStyle loan limits are based on property value and conforming loan limits in your area, while the 203K loan offers more flexibility, especially with the standard 203K. So, your choice here depends on your specific needs and location. When it comes to eligible properties, the HomeStyle Loan allows various property types, including primary residences, second homes, and investments. The 203K loan is designed for primary residences, including multifamily homes, condos, and more. What about renovation types? Both loans allow structural and cosmetic improvements, but the HomeStyle Loan also permits luxury upgrades. However, with the standard 203K, you can make more extensive structural changes. If you're in a hurry, consider the Renovation Timeline. The 203K loan typically allows for a renovation period of up to 6 months, while the HomeStyle Loan gives you a more extended 15-month timeline. Finally, let's talk about interest rates. Interest rates can vary, but generally, HomeStyle loans tend to offer lower rates compared to the 203K loan. We recommend consulting with lenders to explore specific rates based on your financial situation. So, what's the bottom line? Both the HomeStyle and 203K loans have their advantages. If you have a low credit score, high DTI, or a smaller down payment, the 203K loan might be your best bet, especially for first-time homebuyers. However, if you're focusing on luxury upgrades and don't have a strict renovation timeline, the HomeStyle Loan could be more suitable. And that's a wrap on our comparison of the Fannie Mae HomeStyle Loan and the FHA 203K loan. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision that aligns with your specific needs and goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.